Hello everyone, and in this tutorial I will be teaching you guys how to make a main menu on Scratch. So it's pretty simple actually, and we are going to get straight to it, that way we don't waste any time and you can get back to creating your game. Don't mind this blurriness here, I was using that for another tutorial, so I'm just going to clear the graphic effects. I believe I was using the pixelate effect. Alright, so for us to start, we are going to go into our backdrops and costumes. And first we are going to create the first one and call it main menu, or just menu, or even main. Next we're going to create another one and call it game. Alright, so now we are going to go into events and do when flag is clicked, and then we are going to switch backdrop to main menu. I'm going to go ahead and delete this sprite because it is not needed right now. Alright, so now when we start, it's going to switch our backdrop to main menu. I'm going to go ahead and create a little design on both backdrops, and you guys should pause and do the same, and then I will unpause, and we will do it again. So, yep. So yeah, go ahead and pause and work on your backdrop. Okay, so I now have our design for this main menu. So this is not actually a game I'm making. This is just a quick little design that I came up with, just to kind of get the real feel of a main menu. So we now have our main menu, and it says click to play. Of course, you don't have to make them click to play. You could make it do like a certain button or just wait a certain amount of time. So we now have our platformer. So, not our platformer, our main menu. Sorry. So when we start, it'll set our backdrop to main menu. And so here's what I would do. So I would go here and do wait until, and then whatever you want. Key spaces pressed, or even do this, key spaces pressed. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do key any. So now any key is pressed, or mouse down. So what this will do is now, if our it'll wait until either we push a button or click the screen, and then it will now switch our backdrop to game. So here's what's gonna happen. Doop, and then now when I press, it will do that. Or if I push any key, boom, there we go. So now you have a basic main menu. So congrats on that. Here's something you could do. You could add settings even. Here's what you can do. I'm gonna duplicate this real quick and kind of change it up a bit. Settings. I'm gonna take this out of the equation real quick and take all that out. There we go. So of course now we can't go to settings. So maybe let's make a button or something. So let's see. This will be play, and this will be setting. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna create this afterwards. So let's delete our code right here. So except for except for this right here. Okay, so real quickly, I'm just gonna create a basic costume here. Boom. Okay. Play. I'm gonna center the text real quick. So now, okay. Here we go. So now we have our play button, and now I'm gonna get to work on our settings button. Okay, so now that I have my play button, I'm now going to make a settings button, and actually I'm gonna duplicate that. So actually, you know what? I'm going to make the settings button last because I'm going to also duplicate all the code from that. So first off, what you're going to do in your play button is you're going to do when flag is clicked, forever, if then and else. And then you're going to do if, okay, you're going to put an equals in there. And then you're going to go over here and do backdrop number. So because my my main menu backdrop is number 1. So you're going to do if backdrop number is 1, you are going to show, and then else you're going to hide. So what this does, it is going to be like, okay, if you are on the main menu, we are going to show the play button, and anything else we are going to hide it. And now we are going to also do when this sprite is clicked, switch the backdrop to game. So here what it should do is it should be showing, we press this, boom, and now it hides as well. And then we go back. And so, yep, now I'm going to duplicate this, call it settings. Really, oh, okay, that's not supposed to happen. I'm gonna get rid of that function real quick. So really, it's the same opposite kinda. So I'm gonna change the text to say settings. That way it doesn't throw anybody off. Okay, so settings. And now you're gonna do, when this sprite is clicked, switch backdrop to main menu 2. And of course mine is called main menu 2 because I haven't called it settings yet. I just kind of duplicated it. So let's see how this goes. Play, good, and settings. There we go. And you could technically create a back button for your settings. That way you can return to the main menu as well. It's the same mechanic actually. So the only difference is here we're going to have it show in our settings, and we are going to have it get us to the main menu. So real quickly, if I do this, I'm going to put it here, and now boom, settings, main menu, play. So there we go. So I hope this helped you get an idea on how to make a main menu. It was pretty basic, quick, and easy. So yeah. If you guys need any help with anything else further, just let me know in the comments. Yeah, if you like these tutorials and you want to see some more, I would appreciate if you subscribed. But you don't have to, no pressure. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.